Hello and welcome to One Kingsland. This gorgeous property sits on over an acre lot, has a gorgeous 2-car garage and 4-bedroom inside, but what's more, it's got a fantastic shop for your business. But let's go inside, take a look at the home, and I'll see you at the end. How'd you like the inside? Well, wait till you see this all-season workshop just for you. Whether you're running a small business or you have a fantastic hobby that needs a year-round shop, this is your spot. Come take a look.